Do you ever feel bloated after a workout? If so, you are not alone, so stick around because in this video, you'll quickly learn why working out sometimes makes you bloated, and more importantly, what you can do about it to feel leaner and stronger than ever. Trust me, Live Lean Nation, you don't want to miss this, so grab your water bottle, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Hey Live Leaners, Brad here from Live Lean TV. So today we're diving into a question that I know a lot of you are curious about. Can working out make you bloated? All right, let's break this down. First off, yes, working out can sometimes lead to bloating, and I'm going to tell you why and what you can do about it. Reason number one, guys, swallowing air. So when you're huffing and puffing through a high intensity workout, you tend to breathe more heavily, often through your mouth. So this can cause you to swallow air, which then gets trapped in your digestive system and makes you feel bloated. Next up, dehydration. So not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration. So when your body's dehydrated, it holds on to as much water as it can, which can make you feel bloated. So remember, hydration is key, Live Lean Nation. Drink more water. Another big one is digestive disturbances. So high intensity or long duration exercises can slow down your digestion because your body's prioritizing blood flow to your muscles, not your stomach. So this can cause food to sit in your stomach longer and lead to bloating. And let's talk about diet. What you eat before and after your workout matters. So foods high in fiber, certain carbs, and gas-producing foods like beans and broccoli can contribute to bloating. Plus, some sports drinks and supplements contain sugar alcohols, which can be tough on your digestive system. Then there's the electrolyte imbalance. So when you sweat, you lose electrolytes like sodium and potassium. An imbalance here can lead to more water retention and bloating. So make sure you're replenishing your electrolytes, especially after a tough workout. Lastly, let's talk about hormones. So exercise, especially intense sessions, can increase cortisol, the stress hormone, which can slow down digestion and cause bloating. And don't forget about muscle repair. Your muscles can hold on to water as they recover, leading to that bloated feeling. So what can you do about it? Here are a few tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Avoid carbonated drinks before you hit the gym. Eat easily digestible meals or snacks before exercising. Listen to your body and adjust your diet if certain foods make you feel bloated. Gradually increase your workout intensity to give your body time to adapt.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. Now let's quickly differentiate between workout bloating and workout inflammation. So workout bloating is a feeling of fullness in the abdomen caused by swallowing air, dehydration, slow digestion, certain foods, or electrolyte imbalances. So this makes your stomach feel swollen or gassy. Workout inflammation, on the other hand, is the body's response to muscle damage from exercise. So it involves swelling and soreness as the body repairs tiny muscle tears. This natural process, known as delayed onset muscle soreness, we often call it DOMS, usually occurs 24 to 72 hours after a workout. So the key difference is bloating felt in the stomach caused by digestive issues and hydration. Inflammation is felt in the muscles caused by repair processes and immune response. So manage bloating with hydration and diet tweaks, manage inflammation with rest and recovery. So there you have it, Live Lean Nation. Working out may cause bloating, but with these tips, you can minimize it and keep feeling great. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with your workout buddies. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.
Want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be